Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite with a business credit and funding tip on exactly how you can get business credit without attaching a personal guarantee. So when you put your Social Security number on a credit application, you're almost always providing a personal guarantee. This means you're personally liable for that business debt that you're filling out that application for. So if you were to default on those obligations, the creditor will pursue your business assets first, then they'll come after your personal assets, your home, your car, stocks, bonds, bank accounts, any other personal assets are free game for them to take if you've personally guaranteed the debt. So business owners don't expect to fail, obviously, but unfortunately, 90% do. So it makes no sense to put you and your family's financial future in jeopardy when you know that you've got a 90% chance of something happening. Remember, many times the reason a business might fail has nothing to do with you or the things you control, such as shifts in the economy. As a matter of fact, maybe your business doesn't fail at all. Maybe you just defaulted on that debt. There's a million of those things that could happen that could make it where you're then personally liable for that business debt. So there's no question, listen, starting and running a business is risky. This is why most conventional banks make it so hard to get a loan. So don't use a personal guarantee unless you absolutely have to. And again, loans and credit lines, some of that you're going to need to attach a personal guarantee. For almost all business credit cards, you absolutely don't need one. So with many business loans, as I mentioned, you need them, but not with most business credit cards when you're applying. So how do you get the credit without the personal guarantee? It's simple. One, leave the Social Security number off the application when you can. Now, as of 2018, there's a regulation that says that they must get your Social Security number and your date of birth to verify your identity if you're applying for credit from a major bank. So if you're applying for a major bank credit card or a credit card that's backed by a major bank, they may need to get those two things for identity purposes only. And if that's the case, you want to clarify right from the beginning that you're not giving the authority to attach a personal guarantee or the authorization for them to look at your consumer credit. When you do this, they make the decision based on your business credit quality instead, and you can get high limit business credit cards without a personal guarantee and without a consumer credit check. With more information on this process, grab our free 4-step guide at creditsuite.com/tips, or feel free to give us a ring at 877-600-2487 or visit us online at creditsuite.com.